want to give a huge shout out to Diamond Boy 120 for making this intro for me. Halloween is coming up. In this video, we will be trying to become Pennywise. Hint on the word trying because I'm not a beauty guru and I'm not good at makeup, so as you can see, my makeup's not perfect because it's never perfect anyways, but mainly because it's my school makeup for hours. It's been 12 hours. And by the way, the light is just blinding me. Also, new background. Yay, nay. To create the look, start with a tiny brush to be precise. Using Revolution. Love the Revolution. And it's like this. I genuinely can't see, so I'm just gonna close the light. I'm so sorry. I had to close the light because it was doing things to my eyes. Guys, I think I'm going blind. Trick or treat.
I don't fuck with you.
I'm joking, guys. I genuinely like it like this because I feel like no one has never done this before and this is original, so I prefer this version. Like the video, subscribe down below. I think it's down below. Yeah, down below.